What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a high level brake lights bulb change on this Fiat Punto. The brake light just saw me pointing to, one up top there, yeah. Right, first thing to do is prise out the rubber grommet, and then you've got to depress those metal clips. That metal clip there you see me pointing to. That one is looks like it's come off. Some bodge's been there before, but we're going to fix that later. Right, so depress the metal clips, press them with the screwdriver, and the unit should just pop out. Just like that. Next thing you've got to do is detach that washer hose. That's the hose for the rear screen washer. Just the washer jets incorporated into the high level brake light. Then you've got to remove the wiring connector, just like that. This high level brake light is in a bit of a state, so like I said, some bodge has been there before, but it's still salvageable. So you've got to press those plastic clips on top, on the bottom there, and that will move the black bit where the bulbs are. If you want to know what bulbs you're going to need, look down in this description. I've listed them there for you, along with the tools you're going to need. But really, you can see what tools you need there, can't you? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this one, people. Right, there was a bulb trapped inside there, so that's why I had to open up that unit a bit more. So like I said, the bodge had been there before. Right, I was only able to get them in singles because the motor factory where I got them from, they only buy them in boxes of 20 or something like that. That's why they're in a plastic bag like that. If you want to know what bulbs you're going to need, look down in the description. I've listed them there for you as well. Right, you're going to have to take out the old bulbs. Just pull out and push it. They're the easiest bulbs you're ever going to have to install. Just pull out and push it. Again, the bulbs that you're going to need are going to be listed down below in the description. Spray WD-40 on it if you like, because sometimes the connectors do get a bit rusty. It's easier to pull them out and push them back in. It's lubricated. bit there's got to line up with that bit there. And it should just click into place. Got to put it in the right way around. It's got to go in the right way around, otherwise it won't go in at all. Right, connect the wiring plug. Just slides in like that. Connect the washer hose. I can find it. Yep. There is the washer hose. Just pushes into the test the light first, make sure it's working. You might have to take it out again. Just using a piece of wood there, propped against the seat. As we can see there, not all the bulbs have a good connection. So the whole light cluster is not working. Obviously that's not going to do, so we're going to have to take it apart again and see what's up. Like I said, some bodges been there before. I think they tried to fit the wrong size bulbs or something, but we're going to get it sorted. It's still salvageable and we're going to get it sorted or fixed, as you will see in a minute. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, people. Get your subscriptions in for money saving tips on your car. If you want to know how to save money on car repairs, subscribe to my channel. Got some more upcoming stuff that's going to be very useful to you. Okay, once that's in there for the second time, I had to drill a hole there for the missing clip, instead of the missing clip rather. And I'm just screwing a self-tapping screw in there to hold it in place. So as you saw earlier, one of the clips was missing, so that screw is going to hold it in place instead. Right, it's going to work second time around. All that was wrong with it last time, just some of the bulbs weren't lining up. As soon as you pressed it in, they went off center. They went to the side. That's why the whole thing wasn't lighting up. So I just made the hole bigger. I just made the holes bigger for the light bulbs. And that's going to work perfectly now, as you're going to see in a minute. There you go. Perfect. Perfect job. Job done. Look down in the description for the tools you're going to need for this job and the bulbs. Which bulbs you're going to need. Because you don't want to get the wrong bulbs.